People learn most from new perspectives, novel ideas, tips for new restaurants and places to go, books to read or people to meet, or something employees know about why people really stay or go. New perspectives opens up minds, and open minds are what you need to impact your business. Your workforce is your great differentiator and greatest strength. Imagine that you can pull all the ideas and solutions out of your employees and put them to work for you. CircleLytics Dialogue solution unleashes your team's creative energy and harnessing it for clear, fast action that bolts your business to the forefront. We turn your people into critically thinking change agents. Our multi-step process optimizes ideas, learning, cultural development, and collaboration. We use AI to expose each person to a diverse set of perspectives from non-like-minded others. CircleLytics encourages each person to reflect and enrich the ideas of others. As a leader, you get aggregated, vetted results, which are 60% more reliable on average than surveys can deliver. You get specific recommendations that shorten time to action by 90%. You launch a new culture where your employees' ideas help you make high-quality decisions fast and avoid failure. These are decisions you couldn't make without their input. At the same time, you engage employees strongly, build trust, and bring people closer to each other and the company. Curious how this works? It's simple and fascinating and can be implemented in any environment. We'd love to show you. Visit CircleLytics.com or email our CEO, Morik Diepel, at morik@circlelytics.com.